Hi, today we're going to be looking into the October 2018 Tamed Wild Apothecary Wild Medicine Box. I've been getting this box since February. Comes in a mailer. Box inside. Beautiful box. Lovely, lovely. I love the way that this box looks. And it smells like Palo Santo, but let's see what's inside. They always have a really nice parchment paper with the information about the box. Autumn Wild Medicine. Looks good. Let's see what's inside. Bubbles from a toddler. Tissue paper. Ooh, what do we got? Peppermint organic herb. So, really nice. They give you a good quality of herbs. Good amount too. Ooh. Cold and flu herbal tea with instructions on the back. Beautiful, beautiful jar. Can't get it open, but that's okay. Ooh, I feel this is very soft. Looks like a scarf. Smells great. Soft, beautiful. Nice, nice, nice. Put that over here. It's always got crystals in it. And these cute little burlap bags, which, guess what? I keep them. But you guys know that. Ooh, so lots of like pumice or lava stones. Lots of them in here. We will get to the bottom of what these are in a little bit. That's a good amount. I love this box, but they kind of remind me of the stones in a driveway. This is beautiful. Looks like it's an arrowhead with Palo Santo, maybe some wheat and rosemary. We'll see for sure. Fir needle essential oil. Let me smell this. Smells like a forest. Which, who wouldn't want that smell in their house? Oh. Sometimes they have individual cards, but this time they have a whole package of cards. Does it include envelopes? That was my computer. Don't mind the computer. You guys are probably familiar with Microsoft updates and how annoying and obtrusive they can be. Anyways, it does have envelopes. Envelopes and blank cards, which I love for gifts or just writing little notes. So that's really cool. Love that. Ooh. Looks like we've got a tile. A lovely tile. So that's everything in the box. Let's go through this list. Our cold and flu tea. Autumn Blessings Palo Santo smudge set. So it's an obsidian arrowhead with Palo Santo and space cleansing herbs, fir needle essential oil, bag of lava rocks, and a Spanish painted tile. Place the lava rocks on the tile and sprinkle with essential oils to create a natural diffuser. Place this next to your bed, couch, or anywhere you spend a relaxing moment. They always give you really cute just off the wall stuff. Like I've gotten wool dryer balls from them before, tea sets, a beautiful hair wash, a really nice steaming herb set that kind of smells like Vicks, but pretty cool. A light scarf and handwritten notes. So that's pretty awesome. I've been getting this box since February and I like it a lot. I'll continue to get this box. One of the things that I like about this company is that if you go onto their website, they do have all their excess boxes available for purchase, so you can get back different months boxes. So that's pretty cool in case you missed a month or you had to pause your subscription for whatever reason. It costs $40 to come to my door, and I like it. I think it's worth it, so I'll keep getting it. Let me know what you think, and as always, if you like this, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what boxes you'd like me to look into, and I'll see you next month.